Hello guys, I'm George, I'm the TeckWrap trainer, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use TeckWrap. Now we're gonna wrap the back door. I already applied some masking tape on the rear fender. We applied the clay bar, we cleaned it with the degreaser. Start by positioning your panel. Magnets are essential here. They allow you to align the vinyl perfectly and maintain tension before you even touch the liner. I'm gonna peel the liner from the top. Carefully peel the liner from the top section. Maintain a steady, even pull to avoid creating any adhesive lines or static buildup that could attract dust. Just below the door handle, I'm just gonna trim it. I'm gonna just grab it like this, and also here we have the vinyl with liner, and here is the vinyl without, so I'm just gonna squeegee them both. A great feature of TeckWrap vinyl is its reliability. It's designed to be repositionable during install and can be removed later without leaving any glue residue on the factory paint. Now we can remove the magnets. We're gonna lift the vinyl, peel the liner about halfway. We keep the vinyl with one hand from the center and just try to go from edge to edge with the squeegee. I'm gonna peel a little bit more of the liner, but I'll never remove it all, because at the moment the liner keeps my vinyl straight, so I can just hold it with 2 fingers all the way down. Peel a little bit more. Push the air out towards the bottom edge with a steady overlapping motion. And there we go. With the main surface glassed out, we can now focus on the tension at the edges. Now we're gonna install this top, so I'm gonna squeegee a little bit, like just halfway. Before finishing the edges, use a heat gun to relax the vinyl. This allows the material to shrink slightly and conform naturally to the door's contours. So I relax the vinyl, very cool down. Precision is key here. Trim the vinyl along the top seal, leaving just enough material for a clean tuck. Using a sharp blade is essential to avoid jagged edges on this highly visible line. Now for the door handle area, and then I warm it up a little bit. Heat the area thoroughly to ensure the vinyl is soft and ready to be shaped into the recess. Use your gloved hand to feed the material into the cup. Avoid stretching, instead push the vinyl deep into the corners. Now perform a flush cut along the inner edge of the recess. Once done, simply remove the centerpiece for a perfect, seamless look. After trimming around the handle mechanism, be sure to post-heat the edges. This activates the adhesive at the relief cuts, where the film is most prone to lifting during daily use. First, what I would like to do is to the cut on the bottom. So what I will do first, I will just lift the vinyl here on the edge. Reapply heat along the bottom edge. Run your heat gun along the door sill to set the film's memory for the underside wrap. This safeguards the finish against stone chips and high pressure water during car washes. And I will trim it. Use the door frame as a natural guide for your blade to ensure a perfectly straight cut. So from here we need to heat and take the tension like this way, this one, top and bottom. For the side pillars, manage your tension carefully. Wrap the vinyl around the edge with consistent pressure to prevent any fingering or lifting down the road. Heat the vertical edges to relax the vinyl's memory. Fold the material around the corner with consistent pressure to avoid air pockets. This area is prone to lifting, so ensure the bond is solid and wrinkle-free. Hold the excess film with your free hand to create tension. This allows the blade to glide smoothly and ensures a clean, guided cut along the edge. Use the heat gun to thoroughly relax the vinyl in the door jambs. This ensures the film deeply conforms to the inner curves without any tension. Now carefully roll the film over the edges. Use consistent pressure to seal the perimeter and eliminate any potential air pockets. Make a steady cut along the line, then peel away the excess for that clean, professional finish. Okay, so now it's time to post-heat this section. Post-heat TeckWrap matte vinyl at 105 to 110 degrees, reaching 120 degrees Celsius on edges to lock its shape and prevent lifting.